Welcome back everyone. I'm sitting inside the 2025 GMC electric vehicle Sierra truck Denali extended max range, and this is an amazing truck. Here I want to show you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time in the huge screen of this amazing truck. I really love the truck, and you can read my review at torquenews.com. I will have the link of my complete thorough review at torquenews.com in the description of this video. Take a look and look at this huge screen, because sometimes we have to change the date and time, and I want to show you how to do that. Now when you go to screen, wherever you are, you click on home's button, and it brings you in home, and there's lots of stuff you can do. For example, vehicle status, drive mode, Google Assistant, Play Store. There is a lot of Google. Google Maps. It's like an Android phone on this screen, friends. But in order to do a lot of changes in the instrument cluster or in the date and time or in the screen, you go on the setting buttons, click on the settings. See, it looks a little bit different than what we're used to. So you click on setting button, and here we go, date and time. But let's see what else is here. You can change and do work with connection, with vehicle, notification, apps, date and time, display. There's a lot of good things to do in display, sounds, profiles and accounts if you have multiple drivers. But you go to date and time, okay, and look, we have an option to set it either on a 24-hour format, but it is off as seen my vehicle because I'm in the United States, or automatic time zone you can change, or automatic date and time. Okay, see, my vehicle right now is set on automatic date and time and automatic time zone. If you want to change the date and time, you have to turn them off. For example, you turn them off here and here. Okay, sorry. All right, here we go. Okay, and then these options to change the date and times, they lit up, and now you can make some changes here and there, but I prefer the automatic. Okay, and do this. But let's say you are not in the United States, you are in one of the European countries, or in a country where they use the 24-hour time format. Okay, in my case it's set on off. You can simply turn it on, and okay, you have the 24-hour format, and it's 8:45. It doesn't show AM because it's 8:45. So if it was 8:45 p.m. instead, it would say 20:45 p.m. All right, so but since I'm in the United States, I'm going to turn this off. Friends, this is how you change the date and time of the 2025 Denali Sierra electric vehicle. This is the max range, and it gives you about 460 miles per single charge, and you can see I still have 264 miles, like almost half. By the way, I think Edmunds, and I mentioned this in my display in my review, they did a test, and I'm new to this vehicle. I haven't done that much testing yet, but they did a test, and their real world mileage was actually about 507 miles per single charge, but they discuss some other things relating to efficiency. Great vehicle, lots of good things. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this vehicle. Amazing pano here, which actually somehow blocks the sun also. And have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you soon in our next report.